Good morning, children. Today I will start the pH of a weak acid and the pH of a weak base. pH of a weak acid. Listen carefully. Let us consider weak acid like HA. Suppose in HA, in reversible reaction, to get the H plus and A minus aqueous. Suppose this is the HA, weak acid like HA. At initial concentration, you can start the initial concentration. This is the C, this is the 0. At initial time, the reactants are not converted to raw product. In at equilibrium concentration, you can degree of suppose some degree of dissociation is present. C into 1 minus alpha, C into 1 minus alpha. This is the C alpha. This is the C alpha. According to law of mass action, according to law of mass action, Ka, that means weak acid dissociation Ka is equal to H plus concentration A minus concentration upon HA. You can write the HA is equal, Ka is equal to H plus concentration means C plus C alpha into C alpha by C into 1 minus alpha. C get cancelled. Ka is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. For weak electrolytes, alpha is very less than 1. That's why you can write the 1 minus alpha is less than, that means R equal to 1. You can write the Ka is equal to C alpha square. Alpha is equal to, how to write it? Alpha is equal to degree of root Ka by C. Root Ka by C. Okay, in H plus concentration, you can write the alpha is equal to root Ka by C. You can write the H alpha, H plus concentration. H plus is equal to what you can write it? C into C alpha, C into root Ka by C, C into root Ka by C, that is equal to H plus is equal to C alpha. C alpha means what you can write? Degree of dissociation is equal to root Ka by C. Okay, see we can write it H plus is equal to H plus concentration is equal to root KAC. Okay, already you know that pH is equal to what? Minus log H plus concentration minus log H plus concentration means what you can write it? KAC. Root KAC means KAC of pH is equal to of minus log Ka minus log C. We can write it pH is equal to of minus log Ka means pKa minus log C. This is the weak pH of a weak acid formula of pH. pH is equal to of pKa minus log C. Ready? Weak acid like HA at equilibrium according to law of mass action, Ka is equal to C alpha square. Weak electrolyte alpha is very less than 1. That's why you have to write it. Alpha is equal to root Ka by C. H plus is equal to root KAC. pH is equal to minus log concentration of H plus ions. H plus means minus log KAC of pH is equal to of minus log Ka minus log C. pH is equal to half pKa minus log C. This is the pH of a weak acid, and next another pH of a weak base. pH of a weak base. pH of a weak base. Let us consider weak base like also weak base BOH. BOH is in reversible reaction to get the B plus OH minus aqueous. At initial C concentration, reactants are not converted into the products. At equilibrium, C into 1 minus alpha, this is the C alpha, this is C alpha. According to law of mass action, already you know that Kb, the weak base, it is denoted by what? Kb. Kb is equal to B plus concentration, OH minus concentration upon BOH concentration. Kb is equal to B plus concentration means C alpha into C alpha by C into 1 minus alpha. C get cancelled. Kb is equal to C alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Weak electrolyte. For weak electrolyte, alpha is very less than 1. That's why you can write the 1 minus alpha is equal to 1. You can write the Kb is equal to C alpha square. Alpha is equal to root of Kb by C. Okay. Already OH minus concentration means what? You can write C alpha. C means C into alpha means what? Root of Kb by C. Root Kb by C. You can write it OH minus concentration is equal to root Kb C. You can write now already POH is equal to what? POH is equal to minus log OH minus ion concentration. POH is equal to minus log KBC half. You can write the POH is equal to minus log KBC means what? Minus log KB minus half into minus log KB minus log C. You can write the POH is equal to what? Half PKB minus log C. This is the POH. pH means what? We already know that pH plus POH is equal to what? 14. But you can write the pH is equal to 14 minus POH means what? We can write it 14 minus POH. pH is equal to 14 minus POH means what? Half PKB minus log C. This is the pH of a weak base. This is the pH of weak base. Already Kb is equal to C alpha square. OH minus concentration is equal to root KBC. 14 minus half PKB minus log C. This is the pH of a weak base. Okay, next class, next topic is pH of a weak acid and pH of a weak base is also complete. Next go for di and polyacidic base or polybasic acids. Di and polybasic acids are di and polyacidic base. which have more than one ionizable easily leaving the H plus ion is called as ionizable. Acids which have more than one ionizable proton per molecule of the acid is called poly or di or polybasic acids. Example: oxalic acid or H2C2O4, H2C2O4, H2SO4 or H3PO4. These are these polybasic acids. Suppose one example, you take the one example, H2SO4. H2SO4 is reversible reaction. You can write the what H2H plus. Only one H plus is removable the H2SO4. H plus HSO4 minus. Okay, this is the dissociation constant 1. You can write the according to law of mass action. Ka1 is equal to H plus concentration HSO4 minus concentration upon H2SO4 concentration. And next you can write the HSO4 minus is HSO4 minus in reversible reaction. This is the Ka2 H plus SO4 minus 2. The acid dissociation constant 2 H plus concentration SO4 minus 2 concentration upon HSO4 minus. This is the acid dissociation. Ka1 and Ka2 means Ka1 and Ka2 is acid dissociation first and second dissociation constants of acids. Dissociation constants of acids. Dissociation constants of acids. Okay, another example, more ionizable protons. Acids which have more than one ionizable proton per molecule of the acid is called as, this is the dibasic acid. Another one, H3, you take the one another example, H3PO4. H3PO4, H plus H2PO4 minus. This one Ka1 is that means it has been found that Ka1 greater than Ka2 is the acid dissociation constant values Ka1 greater than Ka2. Which one is which substance, that means which one is more easily removable proton is more strength of the acid. That's why Ka1 greater than Ka2. And you can write the Ka1. This is the Ka1. Acid first dissociation constant H plus H2PO4 minus upon H3PO4. And another one H2PO4 minus in reversible reaction Ka2 H plus HPO4 minus 2. This is the Ka2. Ka2 is equal to H plus concentration HPO4 minus 2 concentration upon H2PO4 minus. This is the Ka2. And another one HPO4 minus 2 in a reversible reaction. This is the Ka3 H plus PO4 minus 3 and Ka3 can write the Ka3 H plus concentration PO4 minus 3 This is the Ka3. Which one is more? Which step is? Suppose this is the H3PO4 easily removable H plus ion. That's why it has been found that which one is more acidic strength? That means Ka1 greater than Ka2 greater than Ka3. Ka1 greater than Ka2 greater than Ka3. Which acid more than? Acids which have more than one ionizable proton per molecule of the acids is called as di and polybasic acids. One example, dibasic acid and polybasic acid. In dibasic acids, the acidic strength is Ka1 greater than Ka2. In H3PO4, it has been found that Ka1 greater than Ka2 greater than Ka3. Another one, polyacidic bases. Similarly, polyacidic bases ionizing steps with respectively ionization constants. KB1, KB2, KB3. Ionization constant like KB1, KB2, KB3. In poly, in case of polyacidic base order is KB1 greater than KB2 greater than KB3. KB1 greater than KB2 greater than KB3. Polyacidic bases ionizing steps with respective ionization constant like KB1, KB2, KB3. In case of polyacidic bases, KB1 greater than KB2 greater than KB3. Di and poly acids and poly basic acids and poly acidic bases is complete. Next, factors affecting acidic strength. That means HA bond is when the strength of HA bond is decreases, then acid strength also increases. That meaning when the strength of HA bond, H means acid, A means element. HA bond, H means hydrogen, that means A means element. By HA bond decreases, then HA bond decreases, then acid strength also increases. For example, HF, that means less than HCl, HBr, less than HI. Which one is acid strength is more means acidic strength is increases. Acidic strength is increases. Acid strength is increases. Reason is as the size of element increases, acidic strength decreases. As the size of the element is increases, the energy bond strength is decreases. Bond strength is decreases means acidic easily remove the H plus ions. That way acidic strength also increases. As the size of A means what? Element. As the size of element increases, as the size of element increases, the bond strength is decreases. Bond strength is decreases. Bond strength decreases means acidic strength increases. Acidic strength increases. That's why HI is more than HI, HBr, HCl and HF. And the next point, in a period, next another point is, in a period, as the electronegativity of element increases, the acidic strength also increases. Acidic strength also increases. For example, CH4 and NH3. This is CH4 and NH3 and H2O and HF. Which one is acidic strength is increases means HF greater than, in period, which one is electronegativity of element is increases, acidic strength also increases. HF greater than, H2O greater than, NH3 greater than CH4. That's why acidic strength is, in a period, carbon is 14th group, 15th group, 16th group, 17th group. Okay, in a period, as the electronegativity of element is increases, acidic strength also increases. HF greater than, H2O greater than, NH3 greater than CH4. First one, when the strength of HA bond, H means hydrogen, A means element, bond decreases, acidic strength increases. As the size of element increases, the bond strength is decreases, acidic strength also increases. In a period, as the electronegativity of element increases, acidic strength also increases. Next, cited common ion effect. Common ion effect means, already you know that when weak electrolyte is added to the weak electrolyte in the solution, then addition of strong electrolyte having common ion present on that solution, the reaction will shift to the backward direction. That effect is called as common ion effect. For example, you know that CH3 COOH. In reversible reaction, CH3 COO minus plus H plus. This is the weak electrolyte. This is the what? Weak electrolyte. And next, if when addition of CH3COONA, when addition of C strong electrolyte, here having common ion is CH3COO minus, on that solution, it will push the reaction of weak electrolyte in the backward direction. That effect is called as common ion effect. This is the word strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte. When a reaction, that means when weak electrolyte is present in the solution, weak electrolyte present in the solution, then partially dissociated. Weak electrolyte always partially dissociated. partially dissociated. When addition of strong electrolyte present on the electrolyte having common ion on that solution, it will push the reaction of weak electrolyte. The reaction of weak electrolyte, then backward direction. That means weak electrolyte, the backward direction, and the effect is known as, common ion effect. When weak electrolyte is acetic acid is a partially dissociated CH3COO- plus H plus ion. When addition of strong electrolyte to the weak electrolyte having a common ion is a CH3COO-, it will push the reaction of weak electrolyte in backward direction. That is the effect is known as common ion effect. Another example is there. NH4OH in reversible reaction, NH4 plus OH minus ion. NH4 plus OH minus ion. This is the what? Weak electrolyte. Yeah, and another one, the strong electrolyte is added to the weak electrolyte. Having the common ion is what? NH4 plus Cl minus ion. Having the common ion, the reaction will shift to the backward direction. This is the weak electrolyte. Having the common ion, the reaction will shift to the backward direction. Having the common ion is NH4 plus. NH4 is a weak base. NH4Cl is a what? Strong base. That means strong acid, strong electrolyte. Having the common ion is NH4 plus. Then the reaction will shift to the backward direction. This effect is known as common ion effect. Acetic acid, weak electrolyte. CH3COO is strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte is the addition of weak electrolyte. That means when addition of strong electrolyte having the common ion, then the reaction will shift to the backward direction. This is the example: weak acid and strong base, weak base and strong acid. This effect is known as common